Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I'll tell you what, this could end up being kind of a funny and entertaining video for you guys because I can't get super loud and excited. I can't scream or yell because it's a coughing fit, right? So I don't know exactly what's in these boxes, but I think I do. And if it's what I think I do, what I think it is, then I'm going to want to get really excited about it. And I clearly can't. This is about as loud as I can talk right now. So I'm fine. My health is fine. I just have an ear. I lost my voice and I have a cough, right? So anyways, thanks so much to CJRB for sending these in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. So let's open these one at a time. There's nothing, no indication. I haven't broken the seals yet. Just a box full of CJRB boxes. I have no idea what's in there. But I did go over my messages with CJRB. Oops, I just cut the outside of the box there. Oh, well, it's just the box, right? I did go over my messages with CJRB, and they had mentioned something else, and there's nothing else I'm expecting, so this has to be it, right? So let's see what we've got here. It's number one. Not only is it exactly what I thought it was, it's right off the bat is the craziest version of that thing. Okay, so now that I know what this is excuse me, I'm dying. I'm not dying. I'm fine. I'm just my voice. This is called the Locust. I think. I'm sorry. Not a review. I've never handled these things, right? God, as days go on, the more I sound like Steve-O. But this is number one. This is the first CJRB I've ever seen that's anti-Damascus. Number two, these I think are in Kickstarter. So I'm going to link to Kickstarter, right? Outside of this, I don't know anything else about these knives. Wow. Full-time Damascus. This is a variation of this knife. Obviously, this is the expensive one, and there are going to be less expensive versions of it. Is it? Oh, that is so beautiful. Come on now. Come on now. CJRB, you're killing me. I want to scream. It looks so good. Oh, it looks so good. Oh my gosh, that is such a beautiful blade. Man. I wish that you guys had not put the CJRB logo on there, though. I'm going to be honest with you. What's the blade steel? Oh, this is S90V. Ooh, holy poo-poo town. I thought for sure you guys were going to use this as a platform for the new AR-SF2 or whatever you call that new steel, which would have been fine, right? Because I think it's very similar to like a spray form 154CM, which would have been cool. But wow, no, you guys are mirror polishing this, huh? So you have your plunge lock. This is cool. It's like this whole design is very symmetrical, right? Who's the designer? Is this in-house? Man, beautiful, beautiful job mirror polishing this. Absolutely gorgeous job mirror polishing this blade. So we have we have the standard plunge lock, which is fine, and then you have that secondary plunge lock with I don't love this system, but it's fine. If you use this like a regular pocket knife, you'll be okay, right? If the problem is that we have a lot of those rah-rah guys who are like, oh, baton mode engaged. Oh no, baton mode doesn't work. I want a refund. Like you have those, I don't know. Those are like, I feel like those people as an adult would have trouble with the little table and you got the different shapes and it's like, which shape goes in the circle hole? And they're like drooling and trying to jam the square or the cube in the circle hole and it doesn't work, right? Those same type of people are like, why I can't baton with my folding knife? Sorry. my mocking, this ended up working against me. My normal mocking voice doesn't sound that much different than the voice that I'm using to talk about this knife right now. So it's really, I feel like everybody's just going to be laughing at me, which is technically no different than normal. So carry on. But beautiful, beautiful knife. Let's take a look at what is almost certainly some less expensive and less exotic versions of this. Dude, how does Steve-O laugh? Oh all those years watching like every last bit of Jackass media that I could get my hands on, right? It just sounds like it. Okay. Oh, we got some black and gold here. Ooh, very beautiful, very cool. Black and gold with, yeah, still cool. And then this was probably, also S90V. I wonder if this is a typical, like their typical, just like black whatever finish, which traditionally has been essentially paint, or if they are actually DLC coating these. That is something that I would like to know. Nothing here that would, say specifically. Carbon fiber. Nice piece of carbon fiber, even considering it's flat. Is it? The way that this is, I feel like this is probably subtly contoured. Yeah, if it was flat, you'd have a different pattern here with the carbon fiber. Interesting. That's weird. It looks good, though. I'm just saying because it feels so flat, but in order to get that pattern on the carbon fiber, it almost have to be subtly contoured. Anyways, very cool. And a mounting position for the pocket clip for left and right-handed carry. Very nice, right? This makes me think of, there's an Emerson that's a very similar look. And, someone's going to say it's the clone of the Emerson whatever. Number one, Emerson doesn't own this profile of knife just because there's a thumb disc on it, right? This profile of knife has been around almost as long as the dinosaurs. So the fact that Emerson has a similar, profile with a thumb disc doesn't mean it's the same thing. There's tons of knives that have thumb discs. It's just a very generic profile. But I do know that I know that's going to get brought up, and I know I can't remember the exact CQC whatever, right? But it does look kind of like that. It also looks like the Fairbairn site. Yeah, what's the Fairbairn Applegate something? I can't remember exactly which one. Oh, we got a copper one here. Very cool. I wonder if this will also be an S90V or if they're going to do some more budget-friendly versions. So, solid copper, which I'm going to try not to touch because my fingers will patina this immediately. I got it's like the Midas touch except with salt. So, okay, so we have a sand polish blade, and this is also S90V. Alrighty. And then finally, very curious to see what the final version is. I was hoping to see a budget one. And maybe if we don't see it, oops, gosh, it's a good thing that's not really all that sharp. I just about cut myself. But if we don't see a budget version initially, we'll probably see one after the full release. This is almost certainly also a premium knife. I know what you guys are wondering. Metal Complex, you got 4 of those. Are you going to give them away? Yeah, I'm going to give away 3 of them. And then this one here with the blue fat carbon, what it looks like, and then the sand polish here, almost certainly also S90V. Very good looking. I think we've got something for everybody, right? But a really cool blade. Not necessarily a blade that's more practical. This is going to be more of a poker than it is a slicer, but it's cool. I like the swedge or the bayonet grind. It almost gives it that bayonet dagger look. Sorry, please excuse my youngest daughter up there making noise. She's fine. Mom's with her. Yeah, really, really cool. I do like these. Like I said, these are in Kickstarter right now, so I will link the Kickstarter so you guys can take a look. But that's going to be pretty much it from me today. Thanks so much to CJRB for letting me show everybody. You can expect a full-length, full comprehensive review of these knives once I've had a chance to carry and use them for just a little bit. But that'll be down the road a bit. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.